Certainly, let's dive into some commonly used CSS properties and tags. When it comes to styling your website, CSS offers a wide range of properties and tags to enhance the visual appeal of your web pages. Here are some key properties and tags you should be familiar with. Color property. The color property allows you to define the text color on your web page. Whether you want to use specific color names such as red or blue hexadecimal, values like FF5733, or RGB values such as RGB255, SN51, the color property gives you the flexibility to choose the perfect text color for your content. Font properties. With the font family property, you can specify the font to be used for the text on your website. Whether it's classic and timeless Arial, modern and sleek Helvetica, or a more generic sans serif typeface, the font family property empowers you to set the tone of your text. Additionally, the font size property enables you to control the size of the text, whether it's in pixels like 16px or using relative units like 1 rem. Background properties. The background color property allows you to determine the background color of an element, which can be expressed using various color codes, such as F or FFF for a light blue hue. Furthermore, by utilizing the background image property, you can set an image as the background, adding depth and visual interest to your web design. Box model properties. Managing the spacing around and inside an element is crucial for a well-structured layout. The margin property defines the space outside an element, while the padding property specifies the space inside an element. Additionally, the border property comes in handy for setting the border around an element, allowing you to customize its style, width, and color, such as 1px solid and 1000. Layout properties. The display property gives you control over how an element is displayed on the web page, whether it's as a block, inline, or utilizing the flexible layout using flex. Furthermore, the position property plays a vital role in determining the positioning of an element, offering options like relative or absolute. Additionally, the float property is useful for creating floated layouts, aligning elements to the left or right. Text properties. To ensure your text is visually appealing and well-aligned, the text align property comes in handy, allowing you to align text within an element, be it at the center or right. Moreover, adding decorative effects to text is made possible through the text decoration property, whether it's underline or line through. Other useful properties. Setting the dimensions of an element is essential, and with the width and height properties, you can define the size of an element to create a balanced layout. Adding a touch of elegance to your design is achievable through properties like border radius, creating rounded corners with a statement like border radius 10px. Moreover, the box shadow property allows you to add a subtle shadow effect to an element, elevating the visual appeal with a statement like box shadow. 2px, 2px, 5px, 888. Remember to explore these properties further and experiment with different values to enhance your web designs.